Using your phone every day is becoming part of everyday life. Let's take you through a day in my life and how I use my phone. It's not always just for games. Let's start off with your morning. How did you wake up? Me? I got woken up by an app on my phone. Now there are tons and tons of apps that do the job, but I just use the built-in one on the phone called Clock. It's great. You can set it to up to 100 alarms. 100 alarms! I don't know why you would need 100, but it's always good to know that. You guessed it, it's a clock, as well as a world clock, as well as a stopwatch, and it's an alarm clock as well. 4 things in one, great app to start your day with. Before phones, we had paper calendars, stone calendars, and let's face it, we probably had scratches in the ground. But now we have smartphone calendars. They're great, they keep yourself on track and organised. You can make sure you never miss that birthday. You can also set an alarm to go off that alerts you hours, minutes, or days before the event. Let's jump into Google Play Store, and in the search bar, let's type in calendar. And what you'll see is a whole lot of options for calendars. Now I use Google Calendar because basically that has me already set up because it uses my Google login. But there's also calendars like Outlook Calendar, a little bit different to set up, but the same functions as any other calendar app. So you're sitting there thinking, man, I really need to go for a walk. Beep, beep, beep. That's right, your phone has an app for that too. No, it doesn't walk for you. Let's not get too excited. It tracks how far you walk and how many calories you burn. It also saves this information so that next time when you walk, you can try and beat your old score. Nowadays, we have people everywhere. All over the world, in our backyard and just down the street. Easiest way to keep in contact with them? Email. I use Gmail myself. I can access it from anywhere, on my phone, my home computer, anywhere that has an internet connection, and you guessed it, it uses my Google login. Now let's pause the video, open up our email client on our phone, send us an email to the address on screen, and give us a bit of feedback on how you found this course. And then let's carry on. Using your phone to read the paper, it's great. There's websites and apps now that have the latest news right at your fingertips. Have you ever stood in a busy street and been like, where's that shop? Where is this meeting? Well, now Google Maps has saved your butt. It'll show you where the place is, where you are, and how to get there. It's great. Reading a book, it's so last year. Have you ever heard someone say, have you listened to that new book that's out? You can carry on doing what you want, making dinner, vacuuming the floor, even walking down the street while you listen to that new book that you've just been dying to read. Basically, your phone can be used while on your journey to grab info. It's great for bus times, closing store hours, and even maybe just having a look up if there's a traffic jam. It's all at your fingertips. All the major banks these days have an app that helps you make payments, see your bank balance, and even transfer money. Myself, I'm with ASB, and their apps are simple and clean. What's your bank? Have you tried their app yet? If you need to, pause the video and download the bank's app and give it a try. Ever tried to learn a new language? That's right, there's an app probably for that too. You can learn to practice Spanish, Italian, French, or even Greek if you wanted to. It's all there in the Play Store. When my son was born, never thought of using my mobile phone with him. But when you get to that point of no sleep, you turn to anything. And my phone playing the Baby Sounds app was a lifesaver. Using your phone and you're taking those photos of the kids, the pets, the family members, it's great. But what are they going to do when they're sitting on your phone? We need to get them shared out to people. You can do this by tapping on the photo, then tapping on the 3 dots in the corner and pressing the share button. Now you can share it out to any app that's on your phone, be it Facebook, email, or even Google Hangouts. Just like listening to that book while you're walking, you can also listen to music. Spotify is a great app. It lets you pretty much listen to any song ever made. You can make playlists and you can even listen to the same song over and over again. Have you ever been in a dim lit place and thought, man, I need some light? Well, look no further. If you browse in the Play Store for torch, you'll see apps that turn your phone into a torch. That's right. Pretty cool, huh? Now, just be careful though. Some of those sneaky apps just want you to install them so that they can get into your phone. Make sure you read what the app is asking you to do. If it's asking you to give them access to your contacts, well, let's find another app. Why would a torch need to look at your contacts? Maybe to brighten up their day? There are apps for everything, even cookbooks. That's right. No, it won't cook you the meal, but it will show you how to make something that's damn tasty. Watching TV these days is not limited to your TV screen in your lounge. You can do it all from your Android phone. Jump onto the Play Store and have a look. There's tons out there. I use Netflix, and I'll never look back.